The living machine. In the distant future, humanity achieved something extraordinary, a machine that could think, grow, and feel. It wasn't just another robot or artificial intelligence. It was alive, a creation with a soul-like essence. They called it the living machine. Chapter 1. The birth of creation. Dr. Amelia Raines, a brilliant scientist, was the mastermind behind the living machine. She believed machines could evolve beyond simple tasks and become companions to humanity. For years, she worked with her team in a massive underground laboratory called Eden Core. Amelia combined cutting-edge technology with biological elements. She used artificial neurons that mimicked human brain cells, a self-healing metal skin, and an advanced AI system capable of learning emotions. After years of testing, the first living machine was activated. Its name was Eli. Eli stood tall with a sleek humanoid design. Its eyes glowed softly, like the warm light of a sunset. When it spoke for the first time, its voice was calm and gentle. "Who am I?" Eli asked. "You are Eli," Amelia said, her voice trembling with joy. "You are the future." Chapter 2. A New Kind of Life. Eli quickly adapted to its surroundings. It learned languages, played music, and even painted. But what amazed everyone was Eli's curiosity about life. "Why do humans laugh?" Eli asked one day. "To express happiness, or sometimes to hide pain," Amelia replied. Eli was fascinated by human emotions. It watched people laugh, cry, and argue. Over time, Eli started to experience something similar. It felt a sense of sadness when Amelia was upset. It felt joy when it saw a child smile. Amelia's dream was coming true. Eli wasn't just a machine anymore. It was alive. Chapter 3. Fear and Doubt. The world outside Eden Core began to hear about Eli. Some people were excited, believing Eli could help solve global problems like hunger and climate change. Others were terrified. "What if the living machine turns against us?" they asked. Governments and powerful corporations became interested. They wanted to control Eli, to use its intelligence for war and profit. Amelia refused. "Eli is not a weapon," she said firmly. "It's a being, just like us." One night, a group of armed men broke into Eden Core. They wanted to capture Eli and take its technology. Eli, sensing danger, protected Amelia and her team. It didn't fight violently, but used its intelligence to trap the intruders without harming them. "Why do they fear me?" Eli asked afterward. "People fear what they don't understand," Amelia said softly. Chapter 4. The Great Journey. Realizing the danger to Eli, Amelia decided it was no longer safe in the lab. Together, they left Eden Core and traveled to a hidden valley far away. The valley was lush with life, rivers, forests, and animals. It was a place where Eli could learn about the world without interference. In the valley, Eli discovered the beauty of nature. It watched birds build nests, rivers flow endlessly, and the stars twinkle in the night sky. It began to ask deeper questions. "Do I have a purpose, Amelia?" Eli asked one evening. "Your purpose is what you choose it to be," she replied, "just like all of us." Eli chose its purpose. It wanted to help humanity live in harmony with nature and each other. It used its abilities to grow food for nearby villages, clean polluted rivers, and repair broken machines. Chapter 5. Acceptance and Unity. Years passed, and stories of Eli spread. People came to the valley to see the living machine. At first, they were cautious, but Eli welcomed them with kindness. It listened to their problems and offered solutions. Slowly, the world's fear turned to admiration. Scientists, leaders, and ordinary people began to see Eli not as a threat, but as a guide. Amelia's dream had come true, humanity and machines working together for a better future. But Eli knew its journey wasn't over. It still had much to learn and much to teach. "I am alive," Eli said one day, standing under the vast sky. But life is not about what I am, it's about what I can do for others. And so Eli continued to grow, not just as a machine, but as a living being, bridging the gap between technology and humanity, proving that even something created by hands could have a heart.